Hello, 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 and how are you? I'm fine, I'm fine. I'm so glad you are too. Assalamu alaikum. And hello, friends. Welcome back to Storytime with Miss Pig. My Storytime pals and I are so excited that you can join us. We have a story for you. Are you ready? So come on, let's begin. Our story for today is called Moonbear's Pet by Frank Asch. One spring day, while playing in the pond, Bear found a new pet. "Oh, what a cute little fishy!" cried his friend Little Bird. "What will you call her?" As Bear hurried home, he thought of names like Skinny, Sweet Pea, and Snowpoke, but none of those names seemed quite right. Then he dropped his pet into a bowl of water, and she landed with a splash. "That's it!" cried Bear. "We'll call her Splash." Bear and Little Bird loved to watch Splash swim and blow bubbles. They put Splash on the floor while they played on the kitchen table while they ate. After lunch, they took Splash outside to watch while they worked in Bear's garden. They even took Splash shopping. Every night after Little Bird flew home to his nest, Bear stayed up late talking to Splash and telling her bedtime stories. Every morning, Little Bird brought Splash a present: an acorn, a seashell, a pretty pebble, or a pink button. As days and weeks passed, Splash grew bigger and bigger. One day, Little Bird chirped, "Look, Splash is growing wings. She must want to be a bird just like me." Bear took a close look at Splash. "Those aren't wings. See, there are 4 of them. They must be paws. Splash is becoming a bear just like me." "Why would anyone want to be a clumsy old bear when they can be a beautiful bird?" chirped Little Bird. "Indeed," exclaimed Bear. "Why would anyone want to be a chirpy sack of feathers when they could be a big, strong bear?" "Well, I guess we'll just have to let Splash decide for herself," huffed Little Bird. "That's just fine with me," Bear huffed back. I wonder what's going to happen. Let's find out. So Bear and Little Bird put Splash in a tiny pool next to Bear's pond and promised each other not to visit her for a month. "And don't visit me either," said Bear. "I wouldn't dream of it," snapped Little Bird. Bear and Little Bird used to play together. Now they played alone. At the end of the month, Bear and Little Bird met at Splash's pool. "Now we'll see what a fine bear she's become," mumbled Bear. "Or what a fine bird," grumbled Little Bird. But Splash wasn't in the pool. "Splash!" Little Bird called up to the sky. "Splash!" Bear called into the woods. I wonder what's going to happen, and let's find out. Just then, a young frog hopped up and croaked. "Here I am." "Please don't bother us now, little frog," said Bear. "We're looking for my pet Splash." "But I'm Splash," said the frog. "But you're not a bear," said Bear. "Or a bird," said Little Bird. "I was never a fish either," said Splash. "I was a tadpole, and tadpoles don't become bears or birds. They become frogs." Bear was so surprised. All he could say was, "But wouldn't you rather be a bear?" "I'd rather be a frog," said Splash. "But wouldn't it be best if we were all birds?" said Little Bird. "No," replied Splash calmly. "I think it would be best if we were all friends." Bear was silent for a moment. Then he said, "I think she's right." "I agree," sighed Little Bird. "I missed you, Little Bird," whispered Bear. "I missed you too," Little Bird whispered back. And I missed both of you, cried Splash. Come on, let's all go for a swim. Good idea, said Bear. Great idea, chirped Little Bird. And they all jumped into the pond with a splash. What a great story. Look, everything happens for the best, right? So Bear thought that Splash would be a bear. And Little Bird thought Splash would be a bird. But what did Splash become in the end? A frog. And what did he want to do? He wanted to continue to be a frog. But in the end, what did he say to Bear and Little Bird? Do you remember? Yes, they wanted to be friends. And what did they do at the end? Do you remember? Yep, they went to the pool to play together. That's right. Friends are wonderful to have. And friends are wonderful to be with. You can do many, many great things with your friends. You can ride a bike together. You can fly a kite. You can play with cars, play with dolls. You can go roller skating or ice skating. There are so many adventures to do with friends. So next time when you're out with a friend, I look forward to finding out what you did. Until next time, see you soon. Bye-bye.